Well, Maribel, the thing is that it looks like tomorrow in the afternoon in Cape Canaveral, there will be the potential for showers and storms at 3:22 when they have set that launch time. And we're going to talk winds out of the southwest, 5 to 15 miles an hour. But the models are showing that there could be some heavy downpours and possible storms. So we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully Mother Nature cooperating, but it may need to be postponed once again. So as we take a look at the forecast, today is looking gorgeous. As we look from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale, a lot of sunshine and just a few clouds, and from our Key West camera as well. It really is a stunning and sunny day out there, hot too. The radar is nice and quiet, and we are seeing that breeze out of the east, which is about 10 to 15 miles an hour, and it feels great. Thank goodness for that breeze, because if not, it would feel even hotter otherwise. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 80s, and right now when you add in the humidity, it feels like the low to mid 90s because it is so steamy out there. Thankfully, because of all the rain that we've had so far this week, the drought monitor is looking a little bit better for Miami-Dade and Broward County, as right now we are seeing that the severe to moderate drought is on the west coast of the state. So yeah, in terms of this past month in May, Miami has seen the wettest May on record. We're talking 18.89 inches of rain for the month. The old record is 18.54 inches. And the most impressive is that 14.68 inches of rain has fallen since Sunday. So the bulk of the rain for the month just this past week. Thankfully, we're getting a break now, but not the case for our friends across much of the eastern half of the country. But today, it is really a gorgeous day out there, upper 80s, and we're going to see the chance for just maybe a few passing showers, but really most of those will be occurring at night in the morning hours. For boaters, winds east-southeast, 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3, moderate chop on the bays. Tonight will be warm with the upper 70s, and overnight, we are going to see the potential for some showers. The future radar is showing that as we head into the afternoon, showers and storms will be pushing inland and to the west coast of the peninsula. So tomorrow morning, there could be a couple of spotty showers, and then all the action will be steered towards the interior and the Gulf Coast. So if you had plans to go to the Gulf Coast, keep that in mind. There could be some pretty strong storms there. As we head into your weekend, it is going to be a hot one. And you know what? I normally don't do this, but my daughters, they're in the pool. And maybe you can see, yeah, there's Sophia. They're out here taking advantage of the fact that it's so hot, and any way to beat the heat, right? At least they're behaving really well. But in terms of the weather, you can get outside and enjoy it, you know, whether it be in your backyard or in Broward County. I know the beaches are open there, and soon the Miami beaches will be open too. Highs will be in the low 90s. It's feeling like the upper 90s and hundreds as we head into the weekend. Those storms will move inland, and as we head into early to middle of next week, the breeze will be building. Highs will be in the upper 80s. Speaking of next week, Monday, the official start of the hurricane season, and tomorrow, Saturday at 7 p.m. Don't miss it. Our hurricane special hosted by Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer and Lauren Pastrana, preparing in a pandemic. All the information you need to know to prepare for the hurricane season. Maribel.